Qualcomm stock soars 15% as it announces new chips to compete with NVIDIA. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Tuesday, October 28th, 2025. Today, the AI world is buzzing with breakthroughs. Qualcomm's new chips, the AI 200 and AI 250, powerful rack systems that redefine server potential, fueling a predicted $6.7 trillion in data center investments. Meanwhile, Anthropic shocks the office world by launching Claude for Excel, a tool revolutionizing spreadsheet tasks with real-time AI insights. Not to mention, an AI startup powering ChatGPT's expertise has skyrocketed to a $10 billion valuation, setting a new benchmark for tech innovation. Over in the frontier, Anthropic now edges out OpenAI in API revenue, a strategic play that hints at a future dominated by enterprise AI models. And for the creatively inclined, Figma Make is transforming infographics into art with minimal prompts. Each story underscores the rapid, disruptive evolution in our tech landscape. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about weekly AI highlights in the comments, give this video a like, and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.